so bored.
Yeah.
What could we do?
I don't know.
Do you know Mother's Day is coming? We should do something for that.
Let's buy something.
Let's make something.
Okay, but what?
A gift? A card?
We always make cards for birthdays.
A craft?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, let's come on. Let's pick up all the stuff and come back. In the meantime, don't forget to like,
Share.
and subscribe. Hello guys, I am Pratyush
And I'm Kanishka.
and today we are going to make a simple.
Beautiful Mother's Day gift. We would need a plain white paper,
An empty jar,
some color, pens or pencils,
a pencil and eraser,
a glue stick,
some rulers.
and a scissors. Let's
Get started.
First, we will measure the height of the jar and make the marks on the paper. And then we will join the marks. Now we will cut the paper. There is some extra paper, so we will cut the extra paper.
We have cut it so our paper is ready.
Let's make some drawing on it then.
Now let's color it.
My design is ready. Look at mine.
Look at mine.
Now let's take it in a jar.
Now we will apply glue on it.
And then we will stick it. Get some light and then put it in the jar and look, it's glowing. It was so fun and amazing.
Yeah. Now we can go give it to our moms and surprise her.
So friends, hope you like this Mother's Day craft idea.
Do try this at home and surprise your mom.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!